Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss regarding the DALY 16S 250 ampere BMS. So we are going to dismantle this BMS DALY. So unscrew this one, the cover, so that we can see the components inside this box. So first, especially you need to disconnect this one. Charge if there is a capacitor. Just be careful, just use a proper tools always. So we are opening now. So we are removing the screws now. And this is a 16S BMS 250 ampere. So this was used in the solar batteries. So carefully remove all the visible wires. Some might be hidden or under the labels. So check thoroughly, and show some by opening the plastic also very careful so that it will not break. And after this, remove this bottom holder, and there is another screw to open this BMS. So the purpose of this is to see the components like the MOSFET, the wiring connection, and the what other components that might be shown important we can during the repairs of this BMS. So we need to investigate as well and check how to test the MOSFET and also the resistors, and if there is a capacitors also, so we will going to test. So by the way, the MOSFET, there is a 3 pins, or the gate, the drain, and the source, So this one we are going to check this also. So there is a pin out diagram also, this one, to how to properly test this one, but in this video it's not included. But during the test we are going to use a diode test of the meter, so that in the diode test you can identify if this is a shorted, open, or it is correct reading when you doing the test of the MOSFET. So let's wait to complete this dismantling, opening of the box. And as you can see also here, the fan. So this fan is, the purpose of this is when the temperature, there is a setting temperature that it needs to start the fan once the BMS temperature reach. So now it is open now, and you can see all the bank MOSFET, So there are 2 groups of bank MOSFET. So one parallel, so that it can give the correct voltage, because this battery is a 51.2 volts, for the solar battery, which is the LiPo 4. So now we are going to test now. So it is the pins of the MOSFET now we are testing in a diode test mode. So what I found there, all are good, So the pins, source, the drain, and the is what you call this one, is not shorted or it is not open. So both all these MOSFET are good. So we are checking now the continuity test from the pins going to the resistor as well. So what the reading of that is 127, because the resistor is 131. All this resistor now is 131 during the test. So all are good as well. And all the MOSFET, these 2 banks of the MOSFETs are all good also, or healthy, So during the test, the gate test, the test between gate and source should be OL, and test between gate and drain should be OL. Any low reading means the gate insulated is damaged. So showing good and bad reading comparison, for that. So you can identify forward diode test. It is in a forward diode test. So the place red probe on source and place black probe on drain. So you should read 0.4 to 0.7, but in that case I can read there 0.6. So this is a in diode test. So if you read 0 volts, the MOSFET is shorted, and if you read OL, so MOSFET is open. So in a reverse diode test, so reverse the probes, black on source, red on drain. So you should read OL, infinite resistance. So if you get any reading, MOSFET is faulty. So that's all for this test of this, and this is the complete visual components inside the BMS. So hope everybody can have this knowledge of how to dismantle this BMS if you have facing some issue, no, in your BMS, so you can inspect inside components. So thank you very much and have a good day to all.